In this video, we're going to use the new grid ball to address the glute. Now the grid ball is a little bit softer than some other massage balls on the market, so it's a great tool to use if you're new to foam rolling or if you're sore after a hard workout. To begin, we're going to place the grid ball on the floor and set your hip on top so the glute's right on the center. And from here, we can extend the leg out so that way the glute is relaxed. We want to initially do a little searching of the area to try to identify tender spots. Now, it's not going to be large or quick rolling. You can just search around the glute. If you find a tender spot, you're going to stop and hold pressure into it for 20 to 30 seconds or until that tenderness starts to reduce. As soon as you feel that reduction in tenderness, we're then going to move for our programming. So the first thing we're going to do is perform 4 hip flexions. This is going to help mobilize the tissue. Then we're going to do some side-to-side motions, again, just to help reintroduce movement in between those sliding surfaces. So to begin with, from here, I'm just going to lift my knee towards my chest and then all the way back down. Make sure you breathe as you go through this so you can try to relax. And we're just moving through that 4 times. After the 4th time, I'm going to set my foot flat on the ground, and here I'm going to let my knee fall out and pull the knee back in towards the midline. And again, this is just encouraging some movement in between all the different layers of the glutes and the muscles that are underneath the glutes. We're going to go through that 4 times as well. And then our next motion is going to be a little pivot. So here we're just going to rotate our body 2 times to one direction and then 2 times in the other direction. Again, just trying to stimulate some movement and some circulation and blood flow into the area. Now you can go through that 2 times to get the full release, and that's going to give you the most range of motion and just reduce that tenderness and get the blood flow and the circulation into the area. So that's how we would use the grid ball to address the glutes. If you have any questions, be sure and leave them on social media and check us out at tptherapy.com.